The colors in Spanish. In this lesson, we're going to learn all the basic colors in Spanish, plus gold and silver. We'll also learn how to say dark and light, so you can describe different shades of colors. In Spanish, color means color, and the plural is colores. Since color ends in a consonant, we make it plural by adding es to the end. The color, el color. The colors, los colores. Let's learn the colors in Spanish. White in Spanish is blanco. Black in Spanish is negro. Gray in Spanish is gris. Yellow in Spanish is amarillo. Red in Spanish is rojo. Orange in Spanish is anaranjado. Green in Spanish is verde. Blue in Spanish is azul. Purple in Spanish is morado. Pink in Spanish is rosado. Brown in Spanish is café. Light blue in Spanish is celeste. Beige in Spanish is beige. Silvery in Spanish is plateado. Golden in Spanish is dorado. Dark in Spanish is oscuro. Light in Spanish is claro. You'll notice that colors ending in O are considered masculine, and they usually have a feminine form that ends in A. For example, blanco, blanca. Colors that end in letters other than O or A generally do not change and are used for both masculine and feminine nouns. For example, azul, which is blue. This word ends in a consonant, so it stays azul, regardless of whether the noun is masculine or feminine. Let's take a look at some examples. The phrase in Spanish reads, el carro blanco, which means the white car. In Spanish, the adjective usually comes after the noun, but sometimes they go before to add emotion, emphasis, or change the meaning. La casa blanca, which means the white house. Remember what we said about nouns. Some nouns end in a consonant and can be either masculine or feminine. For example, balón and flor. Both end in a consonant, but balón is a masculine because we say el balón, while flor is a feminine because we say la flor. Now take a look at the word azul. It doesn't change whether the noun it describes is masculine or feminine. This is true for any color that does not end in O or A. Colors like azul, verde, café, and gris stay the same for both genders. However, these colors do change when the noun becomes plural. For example, un carro verde, unos carros verdes. Since verde ends in a vowel, we simply add s to make it plural. Let's practice saying the color names. Try reading this one. Blanco. Now you try. Try reading this one. Amarillo. Now you try. Try reading this one. Café. Now you try. Try reading this one. Verde. Now you try. Try reading this one. Dorado. Now you try. Try reading this one. Celeste. Now you try. Try reading this one. Azul. Now you try. Try reading this one. Rosado. Now you try. Try reading this one. Rojo. Now you try. Well done learning the basic colors in Spanish. I'll see you in the next video.